Abusua mama kwa aba emfama ke black media. Abusuapani enene obe talking point obi aka na asem ni nyina kire se onu na gina mu ema Daddy Lumba yie ene wogi gina mu eyeye. Na ebi no kura se wantie obi afutuo enene eye no yeye. Na ene expose bi ababonte a ene se Daddy Lumba busuafo bi allegedly omo na ehye abusuapani kutupa se eye no wonye emane ntie obi a asem enu nenei omo ho expose ene nkomodie e kire se eye abusuapani nko na eyi nanim se eye no obeye enso se backup a ewo abusuani mu anom beye de abusua na enye asempa na se enye asempa empanifo se de ade ndia no wodi benkum na eje enti kire se abusuafo allegedly omo na ehekire pushi abusuapani kofi wuzu abusua yenko tie wona na wo hye abusuapani kofi wuzu chi a enei oboa no emantimi ye Daddy Lumba ye ne mra sisi
no nko na gina ho no make decision ye yi Lumba ne ye ne no ye sie ne chena ye ba sha na tade blue mpaboa black me pa cho busua panyi ne nko na gina ho make that decision
na ye hu obi a oni take that decision no so far as we know obi a no hu no oni take that decision.
6 and 13 for the
Akwasi, can you be quiet for a second, please?
Okay.
Please. If you don't know,
why?
just
because some now okay.
Why you know? Why you
Some now okay.
We
need to be on the share platform
please. Mami, and come as him, Michelle.
That's because you know,
I grow when you so do.
Abusuapani, yawa kwentu tie, yawa kwentu. Abusuapani, se BBC, ewo bi abusuamo na se omo a ebi omo ye immediate family no e concern omo a omo timi frɛ Akwasi ye de na ye ya kire data ye wo se ye yi no
what the suggestion the suggestion what predict for
tie mami ka say me na me nto aso me disi ya no me pesa me kire
Akwasi
what's me dante ma fe good night
press conference no me ba cho me kunu afrosoro me pa cho press conference no se enye di already ye no nyo na choro ye
me press conference
me ba cho me ba but wonu ne ye ne se omra mama mekan enti abusua no eda ho no mo kakraka ena nipa ba ko bi ena ye no ye de na to abusua ni nyina no enti se omo hia wodem no mo ka asem a enye se nipa 25 as a 30 ni nyina na beba begina abonten ababa ka kire ye se sei ni ya adwen ne mom the head of the family no ena de nanim beba abegye enu nti na ma wono ne ye bo ne didi ni kogina court no ne yamfa fosti anka ho anko gina court no na yamfa ne wofa dia wofa se kofi anka ho anko gina court no ye de ne kogina ho as abusua panyin se ono ne gina mu e kasa ma abusua no enti wono ntimi ne yire ne ma nkoda madwene ho wono nko asoli ma megina ho nka ngire mo se be dia mesi asemesi ye hye ni blue obenten ye de na eto mpamu kina nti chenchen ache me pa acha ogu abusuafo ni bi wa yi na se ana wa hu ba akokora
abusuafo ni bi ba ye na se
na chese nya abusua panyin nko a na gina mu ye Madam Ase. Storage, good night, why?
Well, Abusuapani
okay.
In a buy.
Obviously, good night.
No banner the on all by or the ever quit.
Oh, sorry, like if it all answer align to where ya who say
Akwasi me know about me know platform so cram more educate me da. Okay, me catch us okay. Me corrections na maba because I didn't know what you were talking about. We can't out here. Me no argue here. Okay, I'm catch I don't know. Intimeko na makwa kusuya. Intina me no ya argument no. Maybe you know ba. Intina me no kasa na me di kan busa o de wo ene de wunim. Ansa na ya kasa. Intine me bi wo na wunim ni e ka chewa. You should also give us the same respect that I gave you to go and read it. Yes, I know you're mischievous. Like, you don't know when you are saying it.
Oh, Virginia, I don't know a free team league. Mr.
Oh,
Mama
David Dane
bye
or
good
the
night.
Hey,
educate
what
me.
class?
Me crow can once me cram my catch.
Baby, I
Na
didn't some name for
Dane
a
cry
crime.
no.
Mama
Asem na okọ kan no. Asem na okọ kan na me wo adwum na me
You
te
could
na
have
me te me computer ni.
good night.
Na me te me computer ni. O ka asem na me drop in na me koye me correction because I didn't know. Sa na ya esu ya de. So we are all learning. But oba ensem ni bi wo na wo ye kana unima you find a way so pese me miao. Immediately I use some terms. Yeah it's ya no untimi miao bia. Adesua ne ye nyina yesua. Enti wo ba na wo ahwe ne se me be miao makode a na se wo de ubedi agro.
No.
Miao.
That's not the like viewpoint na me.
Ujina ho na wo kan immediate family asem. Immediate family na wo kan. Immediate family no mo ne wan. Si ye kasi ye yi abusua nim de obi agina ba bi obi agina emma no conquest all enkra ne konka o nyina enkra no mo konka abusua panyi enkra no konka obi ya but in this case no enkra no asem we ba yen fa no mo gina eno ba me pa acho mesro wo de minim ba bia obefa akofa won sam na ba na mesro na
part of it until man ka so mugina ha na omugina
ha but asem ne ba bia na ekọ so mudi ba achi omudi ba achi na
what's it?
Omo any baby achi
Odo ni man ti de o kan no
Almost say they are not part of the legal issues, but they are part of the funeral.
asem na okay uti hankra ni gina ho nkra na yekusi ne papa wo gina de no also still now was in granny nyina baby amoya de no
ye go see ni papa o gina de
I can't know can baby o gina
no gina
or person that can stand up up and down.
Enti okwasi
e wa anko bi no gina fie why otna fie
no ba man try am for no dey talk
mo ba mo se afunu mu kosie ni wa ha mu kosie ni ha bebre kwa
wa ba ya ka baby kosie
obi di se ba be kosie ni wo pa ide
da ba bi
kosie no wonam se pa wo ye no ba mpa
eno ba wo fa wu ye ba be kosie no hwan ni wo fa wu ye ba be kosie no hwan ni
wo fa and I say your friends immediate family ni bi nso so mu nim ba bi esie no
wo so wo fa also immediate family
yeah me wo fa de me busuafo nyina nim ba bi esie no me wo fa kwa
me bo abaso wo adwuma pa akwasi ten against one why are they wo adwuma pa why are they
I time obi an ge esie ba kwa ne ka kire no
ruling me nyina kumitrim akwasi sabibia di na uhi obi a defend wa mo hawai
nti
ruling ni chere me achi me nyina kumitrim tina ma so no
yes no first
Really, I was in the lawyer, I wouldn't mean to
now be conclude, you know, it will be different from when me say be a doctor and say or read the medical the interpretation will be different from the layman's interpretation. So that you have to understand.
You Matino.
Sorry, good team.
It was of course there was the other me.
Sorry, me electrical engineer. Me publish research papers. The medimawa ubit me read it. I want to ask you.
Research papers different no.
It's the same.
Jargons near woman. Hello,
you were different things. So what hey, Madam Massa T and Kazel school in your one Kubi. So what report? So nurse ni air report a common supervisors are different. But so or report a patient different.
Yes.
And combining me mum. So why you research paper now publish here? No, but Mr. No, yes, argument. Mr. Because we are the make on percent and make ho. Mr. Who actually, Mr. Who the actually pa.
Be actually
pa. Brasoro. Lawyer back no pay.
Who actually, Mr. O ma no be say no wa say. Inti wo akwasi research papers. So what your research papers? Yeah, well, be anyone in an education waffle. Be anyone an education waffle. What your
research? Be answer na publish wa.
What's publish?
Yes. Into me catch you say. Me catch so much you say. What your research paper?
Verdict. Into America, some American entity.
So
what you?
Yeah, but
police statement that was
like I'm not like men can't to like what I'm trying to say is
verdict, no.
Verdict. Like what take cases both sides, and I will arrive at a conclusion. What you say? I say based on the law can, and I would like what they all pronounce judgment. Sana research paper, what direction? I would research no quite a bit more highlighting nobility of research. Yes. Sana, it's almost aligned. But
almost, it's not the same.
But it's not the same. Your office.
Oh, asambena go see working. Walk to school. Yeah, can some now you must walk to school.
So are you seeking to say storage? Are you saying say own a letter from like law own a letter from any lawyer who wait me read it and straight away you understand?
Yeah, true. It's a court me letter. Some read jury duty. I want to catch my kwana. And do I need a lawyer to interpret that to you?
I don't get the point. Point of explanations now.
Your point of explanation, I will catch him say, be a free law, be a free court. Any lawyers, any judges, or be here interpretation. Sana opesa woka.
No, I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. Because like who receive legal EBR first now be ready first now be any sort of consult to a lawyer. So lawyer.
Yes, me read jury duty. I just say me go for a lawyer.
Like what put it on different field though? I was in a say. So sorry, so my kind of letter so my jury a year.
Now say your story that some a general apply to his story.
Mama, akwasi. You can't verdict na idea. It's meant for a handful.
Verdict.
So say you no na say no. The more argument we are more argue am ade
Oh, we have a question, Anna.
Also, we have a question.
Me try.
So me explain the verdict, Anna. And I not clear.
People say the verdict are for which people? What say the verdict are for which people?
Say verdict, say case be in dispute, and a decision. Verdict is just a decision.
And it's for which people?
It's for parties not being involved. No, say a dispute offering between
only them.
What you say?
Only the parties.
Parties not being involved. No, now the obedi asem court. Ebia na public interest. Any bia like ebema confer follow case no.
Yes, that is what the case
automatic. Men drop public interest. I was saying
like public interest and can be.
No. Like yeah, or covered it once.
Odobroni ika show them an inkasa on inkasa or the display
nipa mienu sebi enyo omonye popular anke ni wo mo nipa mienu na be court and I say whether 3 or 4 parties o be court na ombenya decision what you say it is say decision na be ba no na a verdict but here is the case public interest ewum enti eno nche say or trade we no say public ni omo involved no. Omo involved in the case and a verdict about on their like dispute. That's it. I don't know meaning how like different you guys understand it.
Why are cases published for everybody to read?
And you will be banned as well by your interview, no? I have to fire. Hey, you'll be banned.
I said, why are cases published for general public to read about? Why?
No, and accessible in the like Supreme Court of Ghana like law reports. And obi or interested be a bit more read. What I say? Good for education for like lawyers or more student lawyers ne obi or lay person be obezo or in tune or learning about court processes ne like judicial decisions ne or ready to like address him or herself about those issues.
Very good, Akwasi. Follow-up question. Akwasi, when two people are getting married, they sign their documentations. Is it out for people to read about what they signed?
Can like rephrase your question, man?
I said, when people are getting married and they go to court to sign their documentations, is it public for people to read about?
No.
Very good. That means the court want people to read about. That's why it's published. So it's not for the lawyers alone, as you were saying.
No, debut. Me say so. Be a lawyer. Not already like legal staffer. Anywhere you lay person no. They will obviously atiase no. And yes, I will bet atiase. What I say? Take case by and confirm for me a lot of people
But
about the issue.
When you are writing your report to your supervisor, what you put in as jargons is different from what you are writing to the general public to read. It's different.
But when say like with my our hard pretend say already judgment what you say but only lawyer transfer with my choice say ade we are okay yes sir. So sir.
Na say lawyers ni nyina almost I didn't papa.
Obi atiase lay person bi atiase on kwa na
No. It's not about lay person you. Them person me tell I say unim no kran but you don't want to admit Obi a lawyer and a professional no. That is what on why trained.
So then leave it to the lawyers to talk about it. I mean, whatever you're saying, you're not even making point. You've been talking the whole time.
I don't know why it came from this kind of like interruptions.
No, you brought it.
No, because if you say I if you say or the lawyer reading talking about, then all of us we don't need to go to school again.
Now,
we don't need to go to school again.
What Ejuma Oyeno, and Obi and Ejuma Oye. Into details, Obi and Ejuma Oye.
But you don't know.
Are you trying to say
who is learning law? He's not explaining anything. He's not explaining anything.
To you, no may explain but maybe I know what I'm explaining. And it should if the frequency are vibrating,
no, you've been listen.
That's it. Don't come and project that kind of thing on 21 years.
Listen, no, you've been here for very long.
You also could have like
and you haven't said anything.
And Exp0sed mind. Don't come and shut me down.
You are saying that every profession, no, so
I'm not here to change anybody's mind. But as a whole person, all kind of.
So remember, can't you say lawyers from when they interpret at their actual brofum. I don't want to brofum.
Me panto what can say you can write in English on table phone chairman. You don't and own brofum and you don't. I don't know. I don't I'm not supposed to respond to you. May respond to
your position of writing articles and other things doesn't make you the best though.
I'm not saying that yet. But they will see by now. Like I'm not making point. What show said they all can
Cornelius, I could see your article, Papa. I don't follow Facebook and
on article, I was say profession. or see professor or say
Charlie,
profession
sometimes
the
you cannot
lawyers.
judge Obi based on somehow can and the way the person talks. What
No,
you say?
but if the person is trying to discredit people that are really learning, you telling us a profession from one
Who
was some
are
kind
now?
Charlie, me
So you
see,
can't judge people
why would you
based
say
on your
that?
mokana. Kienje jono on Natariana.
senior man,
And I
sorry, we don't
profile
cast me
picture.
few. Sorry, look at me few. Me
Share
see okay. Oh yeah,
AR share ARTO when we say issue na aba na yeka ho asem no obi afa judgment na obi abetimi akan ebi on more read some people are doing law, some people are reading into law. What I say ba we ka say judgment na was a lawyer nkwa na timi interpret judgment na that is wrong.
Pick it and go out
That is
and
what you
spread
mean.
that.
That is what you said.
You are
Obi a
entitled
utimi
to
ka
put
say
any
when the thing
interpretation
came
there.
out, you said when the thing came out, people were saying different things.
If I never made that point, you can make it as your Obi Kasa, you don't listen. What for me, your own opinions and you came on the platform just to talk. What that?
You guys are bullying him.
Nobody is bullying me. No. Nobody can bully me.
He's trying so hard to prove a
Because
point by proving nothing. He's trying so hard to prove a point by proving nothing.
To some extent, but I say, or
I
say,
won't understand another part.
I don't know, Obi Kasana,
Everybody has their opinion.
Obi Kasama, then Kasasa, Munjai.
If you ever, I don't understand it.
Because yes, I didn't come. We didn't come. I say more or less, and I said, Obi and Tim with the bar only the moment. Nippon, as some more can you say? And you will be at the bet me a kind. I can't say I didn't know how bet which is true. Me, I'm telling you, I'm a comment. And just to tell me, what am I saying? And just to say, me in school. Obiane said you sit and you may be a sepa. I did want to move crown part. When your lawyer said you can. And so can you bet you because of every crown part. When you are somewhere court, our experience with a penny says sometimes I walk a kind of say court muniade. One who also saw new court home matching. Onim baby call who bed the tenant put no can. Let's get this fact.
Adepa. How do you know
What are the cocoa say you?
Adepa Obaye no kasa Obaye nye anu ni nyina yeti no
I proof.
me kura me kache omunya na on kasa on asema oka ne kesi Adepa Obaye no na kasa
Adepa point akwasi ba na ye no question man.
Munya platform no ma kwesi no kasa why sana okwesi moka o de munya no ma no kasa akwesi kasa
judgment etiwa krati as you say antiases
me asema me kan na o say what pick back na wo de
When I lost me too. No,
which is not nice.
Asema kwesi kan say sorry ko busa na so read but no se bed no kra no ubetimi a read but senior wo layman obeti asen different from how a lawyer read a obeti asen into the fact say we were reading doesn't mean say we won't see as you're correct because lawyer so what technical eyes no being a lawyer into lawyer and see as any
which is very true which is very true
but who are the party of the kind and also na age na one skill me baby I would do the any free
that me the all kind is see and the all kind is tell am person
the all kind yes
I the pan one da say no was
enti wo lavish woni se me kasa say we na wo ye diabolic woni se me kan na wo ye diabolic
kwesi hold on
exactly what we say sam
woni se me kan na wo ye diabolic
Adepa hold on kwesi hold on for longest time makasa won say makasa me ya de ba omo ya argument kan no kre won say mabem
But as I the way I was see point now person in making now cano and so corroborated or mocano Cornelius is so making some unfounded idea. Okay, can I say like I don't know
for the past 30 minutes
No, but what did I say?
because
you
came
to
sometimes I had the huro 19 no but when we me who say more hana adwin because the kwesi person or training say ye betimi read atiase but say lawyer fa verdict na lawyer so betimi aka say no aha no say ne yeti ase fan that's not what the law states am on so my anniversary which can hold your right
so unya letter from court. What's the first thing you do? Obefre lawyer baby.
And I say that
I don't need can one say.
Me can't say no. Oh yes, say one tiase. Until I'm this sad scenario at the mouth.
Na man tiase na
scenario.
But lavish now they make an answer. We rephrase the mechanic.
Oh yeah, me.
So why the point Cornelius Bass I'm not making any
wait. One thing I wanted to say is unim say asama e kan was there's so many lawyers or maka omudi.
Oh yeah.
The lawyers be the one or maka omudi. I don't for the same
they sometimes debate on simple issues.
Conclusions are. Then why are you
even lawyers they debate on simple issues. I was sort out to work because I didn't know who debate.
Oh, please. As a man, okay. Story.
Your and you'll be on a bet
at the page, at the part. As a man, can you tell us you?
The fact that no be on a bet doesn't mean that there's a basic understanding. I know dear, you bet to me in the technical said you all can, but still I know. The storage person or training say who read that.
And I love is you a critical
for driver's license show. Police are told us a driver's license show.
Storage.
Lavish, question. Say, verdict now ready, you know. Flip it. Oh, yeah, mammy, I could say, well, lawyer. Grants for appeal. That verdict anymore.
Mimi, mammy, I could say a lawyer.
How you can point out points be verdict in one. Ubitman appeal based on that point. Can you like oh yeah lawyer? How would you advise your client on that?
So me mammy, I could say a lawyer. I think say. Odobo ni witness no, right? Ni witness now buy me. E ho na me like e ho na me push more. What I say. But se me am say ya mama akosua lawyer. Me a number of mistakes. What I say.
No, me can verdict in one sem not like verdict number. Let's
That's what I'm saying. Me see me a number of mistakes based on the verdict because judge no accept me say me for original number several times. I meant me for original number. Enti the one me a mistake. I say me jitum na me repair had an answer. Say if the appeal will allow me to do those things, I may answer na me the appeal. Then secondly no ebia odoboni lawyer no sorry the witness no and I may ask more questions. Mr. Appeal no be allow may ask more questions. I making sure say bia ni way no be kind because or the one witness penny by what I say. And that was the only credible witness. Intime no say me ye my many lawyer. The credible witness no na person me making sure say obe goofy to my advantage. But aside that no make me aka say it was say me making sure say me niamani sisiso in terms of me documentation because that is where me judge no find the issues with per the me read ye.
Sir, unim say sema wakeni na no it didn't feature in Mamia Kusua sewa lawyer no grounds of appeal. It didn't none of them even featured.
So what's the grounds of appeal?
And it's not sorry.
No.
The grounds of appeal no the DNA.
The main thing is the document into only the answer so sorry.
I'm just
I wish for more.
Back for
what you know, Abusuapanin say. In Yamia do yes, I mean, ma, Akosia Sewa lawyer. What will he go for the appeal? First of all, no ma Akosia Sewa lawyer. Into no a kind of dicey class what I say. But
also we discussing even outside courtroom. Outside courtroom, we are just discussing like some issues like that. What I say, like we are not pretending to be lawyers, but we are all.
So you tell me say, on say the verdict now yeah can let's make it clear say this verdict came directly from church. There's no case no. The verdict no judge no matter the verdict and Anna other cases like criminal cases no we have a jury on we verdict. Ain't you know to answer your question or the man about love no. Say oh yeah I mean you say one lawyer. Yes, no fact is how a judge interpreted the law into that verdict. Wow. That's our party.
On say like in appeal no in appeal no before obey like appeal no say if appeal no any like a incompetent means a frivolous you can and it will even stand hearing. You need to have a grounds to do appeal. Yes, I think could be any case obey appeal. No. Say if
into more ground missing.
They are basing their appeal. Allow me. They are basing their appeal based on the interpretation of the judge's decision, which is the verdict.
Yes, but in lavish in no expressing the position. Yes.
Me say
yeah. Question to about now platform kasa we are now. Na me say o kasa.
Team legal wives, they are basing the appeal based on the so fact to say the judge, the interpretation of the law not come into that verdict, and I almost question the kakra. And when it goes to that appeals court now, and appellate court now, almost by way the evidence, the testimonies and everything that came, now as I say, overrule and I say you upheld the decision now, the lower court it's all based on the fact to say, judge, an interpretation of the law or the making decision. And that's how I was today.
Yes, me a document and I'm reading from document. I don't want to speak out of my mind.
But me bow, I have a question, me bow. So when him appeal and I'm a boy.
Yes.
Appeal me patrol. AR Jim patrol. So from one casawo analogy no appeal again. They ain't in your appeal with that Roma. Meaning something, but just for educational purposes.
Appeal are only content with judgment and a decision be a court arrival. You can go for an appeal. That's
okay. So yen naeti say appeal no cannot be outside of the corner, which is the verdict now. Abana won't and no. It cannot be outside of that, right?
I didn't mean suggest this. I was say, Anna.
Enti no say no an ye kwode na wo since ma me kan ye ni nyina no different from the model kwa appeal na. Are you suggesting or are you presupposing say they are going with a different case altogether na?
What I'm saying is the lawyer needs to ejina for grounds of appeal no. And no, that's not what you said.
Oh, they my ARG.
Yes.
Part of the grounds for appeal, no, and say, based on the judge's ruling, no,
or focus on a certain section of the law. Maybe advance of section 40. No abeka. No be a section. Maybe a section 6. Betimi abua. Say untimi infa o document infa process moi. And can I say judge or admit into or admit document no or put weight was no na judge na jampo. That's what the lawyer thinks a judge here.
Enti say no.
Feedback
Me patcho me ba. Na say okay metiasia. Lawyer Kwesi feel say judge no enka obetumi abu nani agu enema bi so accepted the ode buy na nyesa.
Yes, exigencies of time.
And yes, obebu nani agu so say the law also allow for leeway.
But
the law allows for leeway in a situation where the person or the individual cannot provide a document or court an authenticated document. The law allows a leeway. So okay, but then the judge will put weight on it. So as a judge, until I also count the grounds of appeal.
Yeah, that is the Evidence Act. Evidence Act. But we say Evidence Act so baby a momo de masem ni dina no eno aka say you ought to have shown say why you be in your power, right, to get at the chrono went to me and so went to me I was say woman judge now tie adwam ni hu say me ye bibia anye ye me pacho. Was there anything as I just say lawyer could see that you yes so ye bia no ma lawyer ni hu say judge ni hu say my ye de me pebia because I'm saying this because me kai say judge ni mpoka say yen to me and dear same name ya ye the best after Christmas Emma lawyer could see ka say no omu be wie oba out or ka say no omu be wie obe make sure some be wie enti no. Is there an evidence showing say ye do be to me bia or ye and okoka chair judge ni say my ye de me to me bia menya was there anything like that?
Lawyer Kusi did everything possible because we the communication with the Ghana embassy the emails or sending said or presenting it to the judge.
Was the judge made that way, me pacho?
No, listen. We a judge one thing you should understand. So we a judge sometimes you should know say when you are dealing with the embassy, there are a lot of bureaucracy you have to follow. It is obeying the document to call no onya. That's why there are other evidence the judge could have resorted to. And yes, obey the case because 1 year into
other evidence. Other evidence.
And I maybe say was
the judge. Other evidence could have been pictures. Lawyer Kusi tender in as marriage ceremony pictures on trial. Judge
identify pictures.
Let me land there. What do you mean by something I'm saying? We are having a conversation.
1995 pictures.
And the judge no judge because of AI so the picture is bad. The court has to be careful. Saying you one ruling, and you know ruling him.
Yeah,
so the judge. It is me. I'll say judge now didn't discretion. Rejecting my marriage certificate. The judge one case certificate near one case fake or city and to me for the process into or admit here any and the laws also allow a leeway into anything or they quite feel no what you here.
Me my opportunity say can advise or client say now we a lawyer in this case advise or client and I was saying how many word you may and only know advice had more client and only our personal but me na me expect so bad advice or client.
Yeah, Jimmy, or question be beside
me question what dey ma question near your person or catch them.
Grounds of appeal. Grounds of appeal.
Shanti okasama ha okasama ha orobro ni ana Maria Kusa Oh, me kasa mo bi me madwen che na me baba betchere. Me baba betchere because me nua ye lawyer and am ne kasa was asem hu so mu I was just going na me hu ye ntine se mpese
because na me person balance in think me ka say be akasa mama me
Oh
question na
yeah,
ka
I nese me kasa
abeboa
Me patro me kasa mama me akosia.
nese me
Yeah,
kasa
G,
mama
I
me
have a
akose
question
because
for
ene
you.
boa wo mo mienu no boa wo
me spokesperson but like so me I can there me bra kan and nanka me baba betchere
Let the
madwen
questions
I mean,
flow. Why?
pepper
Ruling
kasa
number.
kasa
Let the questions
Me
flow.
pacho,
Oh yes.
maminka, the like lavish. Mami
Akosibu
responding
acho
to
akasabi
lavish.
ye me hen
Oh,
kasabi
oh, me
me.
Akwasi ma
pacho,
yesu
can
ya
send
kasa
you
bi
one.
why?
Like me pese, ye
Ba
clear
abu
view.
kasasa.
Oh, bro,
Ame
there is
kosia
a
fo iba ho pese.
bro. There now we.
Ame kosia fo bom so mo
because
yedi.
Enti
person balance.
Yeah, G,
lavish,
man, me say what say mo.
lavish.
Yeah,
Eh,
G,
enti
ohuna me say what say.
adepa
To you
time
don't go need
abo.
for and
Yeah,
also
G,
Time
ohuna me
abo
say
ya
what
Me
una
say.
so
be
che
kasa
balance
me
me.
at least me chere madwene afa
Eh,
eyi
adepa.
Yeah, G.
Me
asem
Mumu
bi
bully
ba
pacho
ye
wo.
mama Shanti Royal
Mame
menka.
Oh,
Ono
storage.
ebus
Mami, mfa we
mame
team.
ebus
kosia
ono so ono
fo
we
bom
na
so mo
team say
yedi.
team ay team legal wife.
I don't
Sanu
remember
ya
the two
Shanti ni
bully
Royal
with
mi
the
no
person.
boom yi.
I Shanti Royal na kasa when
Ah,
dey busa for sorry o say mama
Shanti,
betwa
me
me
say
no
mami mfa de what die me fa de ntumu kakra
da
na.
bi
Akwasi,
wakasa achede do.
who didn't send Nema
Sisi fom
woman
kra
still and
asante.
go in free?
Ah,
Debi
Send the
o.
money free.
Me lavish ka simbi me na o say
da
me
bi
ka chen say o.
ya to ase what the bim
Need a
what the bim
better
ya to
what
ase.
me
Miss
person
oh
you
me
go
person
see
me
in
ready
your
grounds of appeal no
Pacho
chen.
mama nkasa wo.
4 grounds of appeal near 4.
Oh, mama
4
nkasa
Wakasa
mark
achede do.
Miss Roman nkasa.
grounds of appeal na.
Akwasi for grounds not to change. Yeah.
Oh,
Ona
odobo ni
we
mane
Odo
nkasa.
manen
Oh,
kasa.
mama nkasa.
What
Ah.
do you
Nya
messy
wa
no
no so
messy
no me
be
bia
I
no
know
bi
I
na mo
said
manen
What
kasa.
am mon to aso. La shanty to aso.
Me
Yeah,
pacho
shanty.
yo
Enya
ebusiafo
no
good
be better.
evening. When just quick one ebusiafo good evening. I
No,
hope say na me
kwesi
adumo.
kasa,
Ukasa
kwesi
we are
kasa.
obijina so am yebusa question o. Shanti Royal.
Honestly, asemi aye nyina ye can it's education, right? It's good say nyina ye debate because e betimi atu ye mu bia nyame mpengu. But me bra ye lawyer, right? Asemi ba ye nyina ye di etire. Or say, maybe the or no can at least munye hono muna or can, but I've been also following it pa be se be nyina ye wa kwentum so onyu be ma be bobra na asem way at all. So everybody should have an interest in this, whether you are Odobroni or Akosua Sewa. But this is what my brother told me. And by the way, your friend lawyer Vincent Frimpong, wow, ye MPP ni bia obenimu no e wo Ghana. Or say ye kano pa dia as a lawyer no the judge was wrong. Number one, or say Akosua Sewa did not some say or ye debe ne marriage near ordinance. That is what Akosua Sewa was went to court to seek say or no ye legal wife. Finished. Wa say or ye customary marriage woman or whatever. Enti senka lawyer no judge no asem na ohwe no the basis should be or your legal wife and on your legal wife. Say judge no ordinary asem bae no o say ne niema na lawyer kusi ne maame de bae nyina no unji ntum. Enti nka se ubotuku o say ehonom no say ekọ appeal a lawyer no Lorinda maame no wedi for e wo honom. And the reason why I say appeal wo ho ni say once uko court a judge ba ko pe ne bedi wasama ma so uko appeal a omo ye 3 or 5 enti no obia wo ho kwan say yedi asema na wo no obonjo so said the lawyer kusi say ne bonjo judgment ni so a it is within your right to go to appeal and I uko appeal on so ono no Akosua Sewa case no so I ko appeal a ono as a lawyer was steady as no Akosua Sewa be wini so we wini a nature say bia sebi e bia bibinti ono no onim because sebi yen ka say Ghana ye corrupt abet yenim yo mutimi ye because or say obia seja that technicalities na maame no eka say Akosua Sewa krata no onjintum no o say nke so obotugu no o declare Odobroni as oyere. But untimi engina sa technicalities ni so and even the technicalities ni so obi di nkrata ba na wo judge ni free say nkrata no obo nto so a it is your right to do
Shanti
that
Prince de
investigation.
ko ah.
Oda ma
It is
manu.
it is your right to do that investigations. But wono obi na de nkrata ba enti no nkesa judge no so no approve lawyer kusi said they would buy minji ntumti so the judge should have done on also investigations than say obi gina asem no so aka so mumienu nyina ya yire
Enti na appeal ne de so osaka say appeal no and people say na appeal no say the same documents no mo dey kwa appeal or say yes the same evidence the same everything na dey be ko bet omo wo process wo hono ma so wo pese wo tender new evidence ye wo kwan a wo be fa so a wo be ye honum na me busan say enti that's lawyer kusi no say no lawyer kusi should know because illegal eniema omo ye de bia no bet because sir I attempt the judgment na judge me here any asem wo because ono no as a lawyer and ono so we di asem a the same thing and they see na UK
question back why
question dey bia obi wa
o lawyer no say the lawyer ne ka say nko so mbo asem ni gwa de obese obogwa na nko muku ma akosu as e wa na
they be
like sister Shantu me no wan agree or like baby I can say lawyer ni judge ni investigation see me support to me
we are sure so bra na ni di nkomo
but no kre na me dey and I follow my convictions. Ghana justice system adversarial Victoria una oprove say asema okay no kre na judge na William
say me sorry say me me see the lawyer no.
Ask you one question quick. Ask you one question quick.
Obrano, just like any other business who are very busy. Obrano, I can put in hands of Obrano, one kind of
everything. Missy lawyer visit say asemono eko appeala akosua say why when dem quote him into one by why me say obi kasa mo bia
yeah the question is say most of the award no say broni award meboa
yes
like as a judge no ejina so say nye broni award dia
and ya
ba mo so nkrofo ya so na nkofa panyin kantanka ko so nko chere amamre eni amane awade mmeboa enti amane ni amane awade no a mode koye no na judge nsu gina so se onim se daddy Lumba nsu bie na no ka se meyere pa akosua sewa based on that statement no the class so yegere enti na mko fa soft kanta panyin kantanka ko enye panyin kantanka dia ko enya yere ni bio title no
absolutely right. Reliefs ne woman.
Let me add to the Mr.
Shanti Roy the free band of
because let me tell you, in Mamia Kosia witness statement, no. So Oware wa bomb so in 1991. On one tro yo enti
press conference
no baby o sasem na maka no judge no wan kwanko via customary do mama akosua tro ye e won witness statement mu say me ni me kunu edi kan ware 1991 enti it was there enti say and o see ye call Germany ni ye to aso enti santo aso no ananka be cancel customary nim no and na was say ye this documents no eba be prove it went in and prove I mind you or the bombs so na badada go and read
the half made and complete or point in complete in a sense
complete
or point in main can say pointless but then
pointless we are somehow
this one who say I know people or
the thing release
I hope you are listening.
Sorry.
Point your pointless. Ebana me to be a man.
Why answer storage you can? Why answer storage you can?
That say ya no pe o ka so making the pointer o make it point that chaos say ya no the
Why does I sorry?
Lavish.
Lavish. Yes, me too.
Maame ne asem ne court no. Or the release bi koto. Obi akokota ope vinti no dey there. Court no.
Based on your witness statement. Based on your witness statement.
Yet I see. O de man nko.
But
you know, and
I back door. We know me no kwa.
Mama me five.
Because I didn't intend to argue about this case. Like
just to Shanti Royal. Shanti Royal me pacho. Asem na court no. Ye maame akoso ya de court say. Ti asem na make ni yo. Yen declared as the only surviving wife.
Yes, because they ordinance. Yep.
Me pacho, mame nkasa. Yen declared as the only surviving wife. Ononkwa ne beye kuna.
Oyale.
Enti uti kuna. Na tradition, ntini ye de traditional wedding ne be mu no. Because yen timi declare wo se onkwa se udi kuna ne beka ho kuna na ba asem na be traditional.
No, I think I don't say or the course say or the ordinance marriage ne call you. It say two different separate things that
and American the American ordinance marriage no they call you. Now the call one how kusiki for properties or the kusiki say yen fama ni nye kuna.
Na kuna no.
Are you trying to say that a kuna nti no call ya na say or the kuna in the ordinance call you?
And no na chere say obra.
Well, we did anything na person show. What they call say. Oh, me pacho mama me nkasa.
Storage come
say e kwa appeal. Nti no yen nyina yen nya.
Afi dey kwa appeal. We know say kwa appeal na ba bekasa. Wouldn't say
Sorry.
I think
we are all here. But then if case no omoko appeal ni in your decision.
Me patro nense no kind na me no me patro mo ma nyina no me patro chese ne bra no won kan ye. Wonti me bone bra ne din fa MPP so because MPP nyina da yakoma so. Na chese wo pese wo chese wo bra na wa bon no ti MPP.
David. Storage, my make us be necessary. When him say your interview, lawyer could see after case no can say and widowhood right now, and you couldn't no more court. Meanwhile, Kuna was papa third relief as a whole lawyer.
Yes.
Or senior couldn't no court. Meanwhile, Kuna can
No,
me patro, Mr. Internal
unless you do visual to prove that.
Please not. Into the court and say yen could declare or the court say yen declare as the only surviving wife. Yen file letter of administration mana and yen for traditional ruling beyond internal aspect of the judgment in the verdict and there was traditional people coming in. Into your honor, na afedi one to me and declare so on unkwana your wife. Na afedi yes ye couple be mani be ye kuna. Into true honor, and
you are entering into the realm of speculation.
Hey, wait,
Judge, no person what you say. Judge is speculating. That's what you are saying.
No, I disagree with what you just said. That is
what the disagreement?
No, I'm gonna make any say. At the end, no, man, the call say or no, your legal wife. So why are you saying say?
Legal wife. Some American man. Some American won't be an aside legal wife. There was a kuna in it.
I do understand. Because they declare you as legal wife, automatically you want
to the opesa watchre no the whole Ghana na say the whole court to hono no nim nyansa che wo mo inti lawyers one school no mo call any na
me see from Krana me time no be so adepanya adoma be tie mo ya me for mother
but they say in the kwa appeal no obi udi one step na we do go to kwa appeal
but you ko be here mo brand di why na so be did na
that's a man was say what too good
ne brand wa boy say mo ka ba traditional what it you before I be con more
na me see from na me San Francisco am here call
sorry say mo ka about traditional o ka say then the traditional be ma traditionally no say what worry who are you penny now person fa ketu anka ho what are the process so traditionally no
anya sa process here ko court ya fa no court
Akwari pa ba idea no pra me so 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 I dey no one say
sorry
me pacho mama Musa Shanti question back why
Shanti no ko ka o say ntina asem ne kwa appeal ono won say asem no we ka
Musa Shanti
ne ba na lawyer onu nya lawyer ne ba na lawyer onu nya lawyer
Wa ko see ni clear one abi kuna ne ka o say dey disagree with me.
Oh Shanti me pacho obra ka che o say omo the 3 different marriage certificates na call 3 different.
There's no such thing as 3 different marriages.
There's no 3 different. Where did you get that?
It's in the verdict.
3 that.
3
No,
in
the
the
other
verdict.
one is a translation. The other one is a translation. It's not.
Have you seen it?
What's it?
Now, you see, the speculation out there is too much.
There is no speculation.
There is no 3 different marriages. There is no 3 different marriages. Ruling here ready. Ruling here ready.
Who Shanti who buy who so brad here now dey ba. We no just
Anyway,
Obi ko court to cry.
yes sir dey who buy we educate here na dey buy all the question wa na Uba Abusia penny say we have the obvious speculation.
Something na dey pastor.
Appeal it no way.
Anya dey. Oku baby e more brand di.
Yo, my
Also, cause all brand catch you cause
ne brand dey abo adwuma. Dey okwa na one
no buy one to the first statement. So what you have reached no be the do.
Hey.
Oh, what brave? We got 17 years. I mean, there.
Dory, what they have
different case here. Different realm.
Joe be 70 years. Yeah, Obi and Joe be 70 years. Obi and Joe be 70 years. Nina here say. Court. The court didn't even say that.
He said, Germany, want to know from ma.
Shanti.
Yes, my dear.
You patch your friend Doreen.
Yeah, friend Doreen. Yeah, friend Abusia.
Neutral. Na nebra say na be kan say o yo
no case.
So no asha cabanis let ne kambu. I say.
Who any come?
Obia was there obedress.
And the basic for go me ko him Super Bowl.
So ko baby more breading. Where's that people?
Hello, second one on the buy interpretation.
No, adagio de cocaine. The mail back from Kaina is
Have you even seen
the story? Wow.
I like the story. Egia, just now we can evidence at yourself. So we evidence at one says you are now. I can solely on what? How authentication how they are DBA foreign country aba. Solely on it. One says you are now.
We are nurse. Kofa certificate bra HSA what role and since exams our pass. Osi there me school school
section 40 of evidence section 40 ruling the judge solely based on
yes the MPP are so ready
the judge solely based on section 40 of the evidence act.
We didn't go by the 161. That's authentication. We didn't go by it.
Section 6 of the evidence act. Section 6 of the evidence act allow a leeway.
Discretion of the judge.
What do you mean is a discretion of the judge? What do you mean is a discretion of the judge?
Go read the whole 6.
Oh, what do you mean? Section 6 allow the judge to admit the marriage certificate and put weight on it.
What
do you mean is a discretion? A discretion can hold then. a discretion
by force.
Any by force. If enough evidence was proved, enough evidence
Real
what you
common
prove I
sense.
would just say discretion.
Who are the power to where our
What do you mean?
Yeah, catch us a certificate, brass, mini certificate, and
me opposing lawyer.
one
One says one.
Certificate or they buy, yes, see,
certificate.
that's what it says.
Certificate.
There's not the buy.
They know the buy.
What the buy said judgment in the session.
Anyone there.
Right?
One cause I'm on yada jane kind. You have to on your lawyer.
Yes, Ramo.
About mental be to me the
bigger wife. My worry.
I feel you over
you meet I could just
one question why? What has widowhood got to do with ordinance marriage?
No, say in American say we shouldn't mix apples with oranges, so because in American say say Akosia say why they are there in the case ne court to say they been to know the court say any ordinance marriage for them to declare as the only wife.
Only one
and no the one person they become
so you kuna me na make say oka say kuna na akwai to say okoye just because of kuna enye no so okoye because of kuna e ka mo kuna enye no yes but adie no the cause say you declare ni say ni ordinance marriage no omunjintu muso a ono I didn't know omunjintu
Tanti one na wu Ghana they didn't ordinance marriage akoko say yanti to or ordinance marriage one na wu Ghana
because a problem yeah
let us say when you let us say
odo broni account say ono so nko na ye why are you not also saying that odo
now buy no the buy the come once
odo broni so the cause ono so nko na ye
the whole judgment the whole case now the court no let's leave some out Oba can say you declare as wife.
That is not the
point.
Okay, yeah, me jitum. And I make her say ordinance our jitum. It means Odobroni doesn't even come in. But
now the open so can the old brand can say enka ni kwa say enka case ni nka ye ka wari asindia o baby abiu the first went to me improving the documentation
just really buy no so what
you know one nke nyi kuna no
hey storage
Odobroni
brother. Come with me typo na mabaso me kodana. Are you guys still talking about this? Storage, are you still explaining yourself to people who doesn't get it?
Shantiroy and I'm disappointed.
Hey, don't be disappointed.
Are you kidding me?
Boss, you didn't come on.
Good night.
Tell you that because then I was
saying that you are Gary Muno.
And Kabuka, some for Frank, and Mitsidi Penna, we got as if we do here be.
Sorry, Miss Row. What's what you didn't have had on propaganda.
And some of our never acquire me as will be our school, no yada, Jenkai, Reddit, and no kind of say.
Yes, one kind of castle, and make come once.
And that's the whole point, you know.
I mean, come on. He asked him, Belgrade.
This is possible watching opportunity to look around. Then somehow,
that is no
a press conference for no. Unkaya no kind press conference for no.
Publicly,
I get it for that.
Akosia was publicly.
Oh, the Seahawks won.
The Seahawks won.
Shanti, no, they catch a cruise over John.
Oh, Shanti, I said, I'll catch it.
Oh, they showed me where you will fear.
But the excellent hour.
But my more bash, Miss Adela, then I make
somebody say what?
Lumba asem obi na kofa tie me ye ka kwakubo fo asem and obi ba asem storage na na be buy because me na share platform so be brave and o ka say the more kan kwa team the more asem na more kan kwa team legal wife pa na wa ase ho
eno nya
na
question
be na me kofa buy
eno nya question eno na no nya question o una ko question
Obi can say ya o chira opposition ya na
no eno nya question
and you and I didn't even started to like interrogate or like make a point obi na una okasai and I me try say me explain anya sa na tie e dey na me mom na makodane it's not fair
KB say some the movie
Good
into
night, oh. Good night, everyone.
Obey good night, said your can. Kabe yo hun lawyer, afraid you also win your lawyer, brother.
Oh, it's like I've read your
Obi follow me on Facebook. Why?
Was you don't follow why?
I grew crazy, almost 100,000 followers. So like,
good.
problem. More boss na me trying me didn't attempt there, but on say punches in there.
Was it how you did it or sir?
Yeah. Popular. Open. My me akusi say what whole news enye like
fake.
Me I don't belong.
Who on the news?
Me only me publishing no my positive about the woman. I don't.
Truth and I say
but truth and I say positive.
Me
it's true. Ghana no one here.
Okay, who called the truth and the first husband they say?
Oh, the first and me say the first husband. Why? The munim na no na makan.
Akwesi second one also the
second one here that Lumba. Obwa. Ebia on say ebia
when dey odoboni fans ne ya na ye me nwanwa no like momo pese I say I don't know why odoboni fans pese
amunya hu so odoboni fans you take it serious of
me odoboni fans me odoboni fans
Santi to be intervention for 5 years.
Obien ni ha
we be intervention for 5 years.
Oh, they be enya but like who share eduma like enya mo pese.
And obwa.
Mo pese mo me ye hwe. Mo na mo ye sa obien ni
betimi akasa asem no. Be ye ni die wa no esi edema no. Omo me no ni.
And me clear piece be about.
But I don't understand why this woman has suffered with ni kunu. Na our we be a problem wom. You see, and we should be all pretend.
Anya making you kunu twice man.
And all lavish. What authority do you have so bet you say no in advances or assets are course?
What authority now me announce what authority now was so beka say obi en wari obi an say nipa
now asema o country we in America say man
eba na eyo
say yebu ma me na
eba na eyo
that Lumba
and no ka authority
because our radio problem wom our radio
reality we are talking about reality
Mintumi nje ba akundi nka say we but mo na mo say mo kwa na mo be yakuna. That is when some of us took a stand intanya
na mo kasa mo na mo say no say na mo so mo see ejai ma me sewa
enti no mo see ejai no ade no see ejai no
enti obi e Canada enti no obi e Canada
enti obi e Canada na be ade
sister the reason why all this fight
that Lumba e born nyum ye akwankwa etum o se ne nyum like them 3 years
that's not on worry mama no
no no national
worry no executive producer mama no And I will
Akwasi,
make
yɛkyerɛ sɛ
Nti wɔyɛ
ɛdze no ba
executive
yɛkyi na
no
ɔno ware.
wɔnyɛ sika ho.
abusuafo mi bisa simple question.
Wode me nyame bo ɔyɛ executive no wɔnyɛ sika bi amfiri mu ho.
Na ye nipa no.
Oh, tie. Asa the mo ya ye no. Asa ma bi tie.
Otonyum na abre.
The tie ne say ewi ase.
Your tenant try no nyum 3 years.
Wafo. Ye won konfo bebre a.
Me tie se o platform.
Ye won konfo bi o matache your life one way or the other. Enye omo anka ba bi e do nki endu.
Masa, it's the same thing.
Oh, to me the neighbor go to Kenya me